Something is stalking your business. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't knock, and by the time you notice it, your traffic is already gone. It's called irrelevance. See, for 20 years, sellers played the SEO game. Keywords, backlinks, meta tags. You optimized your little heart out and Google rewarded you with page one. But page one just got a casket. Because AI doesn't send people to your website. AI reads the internet, picks a winner, and answers the question itself. No click, no visit, no see more results, just one answer. One brand, one survivor. And if that answer isn't you, you're not on page 2, you're not on page 10, you're in the digital graveyard, and nobody's bringing flowers. That is the horror story. But here's the plot twist. There is a weapon, and most of your competitors haven't even found it yet. It's called AEO, Answer Engine Optimization. And instead of begging an algorithm to rank you, you train AI to choose you. How? You structure your content so AI can digest it. You answer real buyer questions directly. You build authority signals AI actually trusts. You become the source it quotes, not the source it skips. Right now, the playing field is wide open. The monster is loose, but almost nobody is fighting back. That's your window. That's your head start. That is your hero moment. Because here's the part nobody wants to hear. AEO isn't optional. It's inevitable. Every seller, every brand, every creator will eventually be forced to optimize for AI answers. The only question is whether you do it now, while the cemetery is still empty, or later, when you're already buried in it. The call is coming from inside the algorithm. Pick up, my friends. Pick up.